Before marriage or before pregnancy, which tests are important and why they should be done based on my experience and the information I have. I will share this with you today through this video. So these are the all important tests we can do before marriage and before pregnancy. First one is blood group compatibility and RH factor. Checking blood group compatibility before marriage or before pregnancy is very important for a healthy future pregnancy and baby. If the mother is RH negative and the father is RH positive, and baby may be RH positive, the mother's body can treat the baby's blood as a foreign and produce antibodies. This can lead to a condition called hemolytic disease of the newborn, which can harm the baby. Doctor can prevent this with the proper treatment. Knowing blood group early helps prevent complications during pregnancy and ensures a healthy baby development. Next is hepatitis B and hepatitis C and HIV test. Hepatitis C and hepatitis B are the infections that affect the liver. They can stay silent for years but may cause serious liver damage if not detected and treated early. These triple H tests are mostly advised by doctor even after the pregnancy. Next is VDRL and RPR test. VDRL and RPR is a simple blood test to detect syphilis early, especially important before or during the pregnancy to protect both mother and baby. Syphilis is the sexually transmitted infection caused by the bacteria, and if not treated, it can affect many parts of the body like brain, heart and nerves. You can get this test done after consulting your doctor. If the doctor says it is important, then you should definitely get it done. Next is HP electrophoresis. As I mentioned in my previous video, this test helps us detect thalassemia and sickle cell anemia. Thalassemia is an inherited blood disorder where the body cannot produce enough healthy hemoglobin. And sickle cell anemia is also a blood related problem where red blood cells become sickle shaped. This abnormal blood can block blood cells and break down easily, causing pain and anemia. So, testing before pregnancy is important. If both parents are carrier, very serious consequences can be seen in the child. As a result, the child may need lifelong blood transfusion. In sickle cell anemia, there is a possibility of blockages in a different parts of the body, which can be very painful. The next is STD screening panel. STD screening panel is a bundle of tests to check for common sexual infection so they can be detected and treated early. Many STDs can be silent for a long time. The testing is the only way to know. But again, it is not compulsory. If your doctor advises you to do it, then it should be done. Next is genetic test. If there is a history of genetic disease running in your family for many years, that is the one reason we can consider for the genetic testing. Another reason is if you have had a marriage within close relatives, because in such cases both the partners may carry same disease gene which can be passed on in a severe form to the baby. I would also like to say that if a doctor advises you to do a genetic test, you should never ignore it. If you are referred to a genetic counselor, you should definitely consult them because genetic counselor play a very important role. They help us understand what problem can occur during and after pregnancy, and most importantly they guide us about the treatment and management plan. There are many different types of genetic disease and they can have a serious consequences as well. If you want a detailed video on the type of genetic disease, please comment. I will definitely try my best to make a video on it.